we spent 2 days here to install the curve also. Yeah. How do you think the project install? Because this is the special project for us in Brisbane, and I think that the color is very special. So why do you choose this color, and how do you feel about the installation quality?
Yeah, so the color is just our brand colors, which we wanted to do on our first facility that we couldn't. So this is our second one. We found you guys, and we were able to make it work, which is great. The install is extremely easy, very straightforward. You guys do a lot to help out, which is great. And all we have to do is just listen to what you guys have done, and you guys will care of the rest. And the colors have come out way better than what I thought. So yeah, it's been very smooth, simple, no major purpose or anything, and it looks great. And I'm sure it plays really well as well. So,
great. Thank you. And I know this is your second project for the basketball facility.
Yep.
You have very good experience and have great in this mind. So if in the future you have other maybe 4, maybe 5 projects, will you choose our Macwood company again?
100%. Yep. We'll be going with you guys for our next one for sure. We're already looking for that third one, so we'll definitely be doing that.
Thank you. So this is a game came from China. It's a cup, a teacup, and 4 cup for 4 seasons. Okay. So I really hope you have good luck in the 2 years and in the future.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.